morning and welcome to Tuesday's edition of the Bubba Show. Great to have everybody back. Today I want to take a little time and I want to talk about what did happen in Google and what were some of the effects and what we can look forward to. I think the first thing you want to take from what happened is just the market's a little frothy. The market's a little toppy. They're getting ahead of themselves. Remember, we're beating less than expected earnings. We're getting a lot of downgrades. So the overall market is not really, that sweet here. We have to make sure we look. But the overall news of what happened in Google, the early release. Now, I don't know if it was, really truly a mistake. I don't know what it was. I don't really care. However, if you look at the actual picture, if those numbers would have come out after the close, Google would have been down probably over 200 points. Okay? Very important to understand the panic and what happens after the close, which is why we typically not trade on earnings. Now what happened was it did go down 40 or 50 points, but it didn't get creamed because what happened is the SEC, the exchanges were able to step in, halt trading, let cooler heads prevail, and then resume trading in the stock. So they were able to catch their breath where it didn't come falling off of a cliff. But it still was a fundamental news bomb that did have some direct effect on Thursday's market and probably Friday's market to a certain extent. Now what's happening here is if you're looking around, you're seeing a lot of the stocks start to roll over. Take a look at a lot of the big techs from Friday. Priceline down 20 something. Chipotle Mexican Grill down 30 something. Google down 20 something. Apple down 15 something. These are signs that you have to take. So we're going to stick with the opinion that we are at the top and we're looking for resistance levels to sell. We are not looking to commit new money to buying here. We're looking to take advantage to the shorts of the market. But these fundamental news bombs are part of the market and they will help figure out and push direction. So the Google, although it was a mistake, so they say, it was a better benefit for the overall trader that it happened during the day. Obviously, if you were just short, you wanted it to happen over the night. But for the normal, everyday trader, it was better that it happened in the middle of the day. It gave the market a chance to find itself, get its footing, and then go to the direction it was going to go, which Friday showed us that the direction the market, I think, feels the path of least resistance now is lower. So what we're going to look for is we're going to look for spots to sell. We're going to look for spots to get short. But we're going to wait and follow the footprints and find our levels. Remember, Bubba's picks, been on fire. Remember, the Bubba Show for Tuesday. We'll talk to you on Wednesday. Have a great day.